Okay guys, let's create stroke text carousel in Photoshop. So create a new document, follow what I have, then you see your canvas. Now let's drag in an image onto the canvas.
Brush strokes dancing in electric air, no cap, it's art, no paint.
When you're done, you transform the image nicely to show the canvas. Guys, don't forget to subscribe here. Subscribe, like, and share. Pick your text tool and try and type anything you want. You can type in anything you want, any text, any word. For me, carousel is best for me. So when you are done with that, when you are done, you go to your layer panel, select the text layer, double click on it, and now select the stroke and set your stroke size to any number you want. After that, reduce the fill of the layer, the text layer. I want to increase the size a little bit. I want to increase the stroke size a little bit. Yes. So when you're done, go to view. And again, the guides, new guides layout. For me, the column I choose 3. Pick your slice tool. Right click on it and select divide slide. Now that you are done, select slide from guides, and then you are good to go. Go to file, save as a web, save for web, yes, and choose JPEG. Brush strokes dancing in electric air, no. And save. Make sure you select all slides. The format should be image only. Input the file name and select any folder you want to save the files into. When you are done, you save your file. So go back to the folder where you save your file and you see, you see that my image has been sliced into 3. Yes, so that is the carousel you can post on Instagram. Guys, thank you.